As je wie big an Carlia van a carriage in Eiche, has she gedreigd bal kosher like Megan Burns, Cluinnidh for Farmington.
I was only really the sporty one out of all my family. Like my dad likes football, but my mum was more into she was more into horse riding and stuff, but I never went down that route. I went down the more tomboy route, kicking a ball in the park when I was younger. I never started playing for a team till I was in, I think it was first year. So I just started playing football with my friends and where I stayed, in the local football pitch. And then just nagged at my dad every night to play football in the garden with me until I went up to secondary school and some of my pals were like, oh, you should come along and join Forfar, which I did. And then so on from there.
Hannig Megan is earth gomor, nu de wij klicht de skippen aan zijn SWPL. Ewlis a chort die glan.
It was great. I was there for about 6 or 7 years. I was just getting used to playing in a team. I wasn't obviously I never went to regionals or anything like that. So I was still learning. I just knew the basics of how to kick a ball and stay on my feet, although I wasn't very good at that. I kind of got brought into the Prem team quite young. There was a few of us. I think we got called up from under 17s. So yeah, that was a massive jump for us, but it was a great experience playing alongside top players and playing against top players. So yeah, it was a great experience.
As je wie kleintjen grotjeachingen kleiche het dol ik een clubbe a wij kumal teichtisch, ga Megan Dundee United agus had het in een blinichen, hij dechken zich of fact, ze han skippen is China the earth.
I seen that they were trialling, and me being a Dundee United fan, I was got in touch with Gav and then got invited along for a trial, and then yeah, just started from there. It's developing all the time. It's just bringing in more players, more experience. Coaches have left, coaches have come. It's just getting more involved with the men's team, the community trust. Have been putting a bit more into it, and yeah, just trying to get us up to the top league. That's been the main goal, and it's just been progressing as the years have gone on. So we were set up, and we wanted to be a top flight team. So yeah, it'll be great. It'll be a great opportunity. Be playing alongside professional teams now. So yeah.
Hij akkoordde die Megan Gomora bij een klicht geweest als je weer pandemic. Agus geen clubbe is game gauw zo league ik shaw. Gejera hij een dag is gelensjen zo'n een Korean deze.
Oh, it's great. It's back to normal now. Before, it was a bit uncertain. You were waiting to hear whether you can go back and train, and then even when you were allowed to go back to train, it was small numbers because girls weren't allowed to travel. So we were training 4 girls at a time, which isn't ideal. And then obviously it broke out again. It's is football going to stop? Is it but thankfully it's been able to keep going this time, and hopefully that's the end of it. Fingers crossed. It's been challenging because we're a new team. We've got new players in, and it's been difficult to be able to do your usual team bonding and stuff to gel. But we've just been working hard at training and doing the best that we can, and yeah, it seems to be paying off. Anyway, yeah, our league's tough. There's Boroughmuir, Glasgow Women. You never know what the results are going to be. So to come out and win, touch wood, all of our games so far, it's been a great achievement. And yeah, we are proud. A lot of hard work, but yeah, we're all proud, and hopefully it continues.
Va Megan dói nu de gai enimige skipper a club. Leis an skipper fasce de ctí, hij geri een clubbe is steachig on sa of league.
Well, it's a great achievement. First, it was a great achievement of being able to pull on the Dundee United top, never mind wear the armband as well. So yeah, it's been a dream, should I say. Hopefully just remain in the top flight, being a top flight club, and hopefully progress on to, I don't know, maybe further down the line, Champions League, but that'll be a long time away. But just hopefully get into the top league and stay there for a few seasons and hold our own, just show that we're a good enough team to be up there. That's the goal anyway. Well, it means a lot. I'm passionate about it. I've always been passionate about Dundee United, and yeah, I just love the girls and my team, my club, the coaches. And yeah, it is a dream being able to be captain for Dundee United, and to say that I am, and yeah, and make my family proud as well. that's another good thing.